Okay guys, ito yung continuation sa video ng pag-install ng Django app and my first reaction and experience. So I'm excited guys. I'm going to show you writing your first Django app.
Don't be a paroter, be a praxitor!
Guys, watch this how to speed up your playback speed. Kung gusto mong manood ng mabilisan, ha? Ganito. So guys, I'm going to show you walk through this tutorial. Kasi as a first time Django user, mayroong manual, mayroong tutorial. So we go directly to tutorial. So ito yung ginawa ko and I'm going to show you. So ito yung first step kung matuto tayo ng bagong web framework, no? Halimbawa doon sa WordPress, Drupal, but here Django app. So based on Python, ito yung gagawin natin. We will follow the tutorial. So ito guys, unang-una, ito yon ginawa ko. We installed Django. So ang gagawin ko, I'll just have to follow the command prompt ng ginawa ko kanina, ha? Yung ginawa ko kanina. Ito, 'di ba? Yung previous video, nag-install ako ng Django through command prompt. So pip install. Tapos noon, ito na. So type ko Python space -m space Django tapos space -- version. So yung lumabas 3.0.7. So ito yung version na latest version. If Django is installed, yun, makita natin na version. So, kung wala, so mayroong sinasabi no module name Django. We will create a project. So dito ha, iba yung project, iba yung app. I-explain ko because I read sa manual. Yung project, maraming mga apps. Okay? Yung apps, pwede magagamit sa other projects. So sige, we will continue. We will create our first project. Okay guys, ito yon. Django add start project. So, we're going to start a new project. So, ito yung type natin. Okay? Django admin start project my site. Yung my site, pwede mo yung name mo or your name of your project. Okay? Not the app. Pwede rin website, yung website name. Okay? So, itong Django admin, this is the first. Mamaya, malalaman natin to. Tapos, ang nakaganda nung Django, no, from what I read, is pwede siyang mag-create ng isang app na usable, gagamitin sa other projects. Meron siyang tinatawag na design philosophy, DRY. Don't repeat yourself, DRY. Yan, natutunan ko yan dito lang. Tsaka, iba yung concept niya compared to PHP. Sa ibang program kasi, header, footer, tapos sa iba namang folder, tapos sa iba namang folder, mayroon namang ganun. Nag-repeat ba? Hindi kagaya nito. You can do it once and then pwede siya na i-reuse na nakaganta ng Python. Okay? We'll do that. Ang ginawa ko, ito, I write with my name, yung name. So, ito ha. So, I'll go to my folder. Yan, nakikita nyo yung folder ko. So, ito yun. Django admin start project Clifford X. Alright? Pagkatapos nyan, pumunta ako doon. Oh, ito. Yan. So, mayroon na siyang folder name Clifford X or sa inyo yung project, my project. Then if you open, ito yung labas. This is the Django admin. Okay. Nandito yung Django admin na project folder. So inside the folder, ito yung lima siya. So itong _init.py, ito isgi, settings.py, urls.py, and wsgi. Let's go back, no? One folder up. Ito yung manage.py, diyan tayo mag-execute ng mga files. Balik tayo doon. So ito siya, ito yung sinasabi niya, yung mga project natin. When we start project, ang keyword, our admin, folder or admin project, the first project, and then the keyword start project. So ito yung mga folder niya. Under my site, manage.py, tapos under nun, another folder. Ito yung admin natin, yung settings, URLs, SGI, WSGI. And then itong mga files, ini-explain isa-isa, tsaka yung folder mismo. Then settings, URL, let's run python manage.py run server. So guys, when I run this, Tapos I go to the URL, loading, no? Because I previously run this, nangyari, hindi na siya mag-run. I searched the problem. Meron dito, no? Nakaganda kasi nito. Merong mga problem na ganito. And then we will document. And then we will search. So, ang sinesearch ko, ito yung tinatype ko. Python that managed server, starting development, but the browser spinning or not loading. Tapos, ito yung lumabas. Yung stack overflow. So, suggestion dito, ganito. So, yan ang gagawin ko ngayon. So, I'm going to bind all the network interface. So, I just copy, and sabi yan, ito. I'm going to do copy, paste. So, I'm going to bind all the ports to 8000 to Python. Yan. So, pop up ng firewall. I'm going to allow, no? So, check private. So, ayaw. Ang gawin natin, netstat. Ito, nagawa ko ng netstat. Let's try netstat again. Yan, 8,000. Close wait. Pero ayaw pa rin nag-run, no? Yan, that will be listing the Django run server yan ito, please. Guys, I restarted my computer kasi I tried the steps here. Kung ayaw siya mag-load, no? So, ginawa ko, restart ko para yung computer ko because it's running for a few hours na. When I restart and I issue again, ito, no? python.manage.py. Meron siyang shortcut, no? py lang. Pwede mo type py.manage.py run server. Yung sinabi niya dito, Python. But you can write py manage.py run server. So ito na guys. When I run that, no? And then I'll go to this URL. Ito na yung lumabas. Yan. No? Ito lalabas talaga. Ito yung sasabi niya, the install works successfully. So, congratulations. Kung meron kang nakita ganito, you have successfully installed and created our first project, no, sa admin. Yung pangalawa, ito maganda because ito yung in-add ko. Pangalawang app, no? But we will go there later, no? So, ito yung in-add ko na yung app. Kasi ito yung unang pattern na lalabas. Ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha? And then, run server again. Yan. Oh, so, ito, page not found. Yung sabi dyan, using the root conf, unang order, first order is pools, tapos admin. Yung pools kasi, dito yan. Ito yung unang ginawa ko na app, no? Dali. Yan. So, you are on the pools project. So, yan. So, pagka tinanggal ko yan, balik ako doon sa index ng admin. Di ba, guys? Hindi kasi to sa tutorial, doon sa page nila, wala kasi to eh. So, you have to test and try and experiment. Right? And, oh, yan, no? So, ito yung lalabas. Yan. And then, if you want to run server with a different port, you can specify the port number. Pag wala, yung default niya 800. Kung ito yung local, no? Local server or local machine. Pagka remote, yan, you can use that 0. You can use 0. Now, ito na. We will create the Pulse app. In the next video, we're going to create our first app inside our project. So, next video, we're going to do that. Alright? So, please subscribe to my channel right now. Click subscribe and then click the notifications para you can always notified and get latest and fresh videos. Alright guys, on to the next video.